All right, thank you so much for being patient and flexible with me. I'm going to go ahead and fit 9, 10, and 11 into this short video just to make sure for number 8 that you got the answer choice B. All right, let's go ahead and move on to 9. The Venn diagram shows the relationship of rational numbers. Which of the following is an integer but is not a whole number? All right, 2/3. That's a fraction, and that's as simplified as it's going to get. So we know that that automatically is going to be a rational number. Rational. So that one's not it. -3. -3 is an integer, but it's not a whole number because it's negative. So that is an integer, not a whole number. So G, that is our answer. But let's go ahead and check these other ones as well. 24/2, that's in fraction form, but we can definitely simplify that. 24 divided by 2 is going to give us 12. And we know 12 is a whole number. 24/2. So we know that's not it. And then 32.5, that is a decimal, so that's going to be a rational number. All right, so the answer choice for 9 is G. All right, now we're on number 10, last page. All right, so Matt completed the Venn diagram below. Which number did Matt record in the wrong section of the Venn diagram? So which one of these was put in the wrong section? So what I did first was I just went through these numbers and checked to see which one was right, which one was wrong. So let's go ahead and start with the whole numbers. We know 41, we know that's a whole number. It's a positive counting number, so that one's good. 18/3, that's in fraction form. So at first you might think that that has to be a rational number, but let's go ahead and see if we can simplify it first. Yes, we can. 3 can go into 18 6 times. So that means that this one is actually 6. Therefore, that is a whole number. All right, now let's move on to the integers. We have -9 in here. -9 is an integer because integers count for the negatives as well. Then we have -3 and 1/4. That's a fraction, and that's simplified as small as it can go, so we know that that has to be rational. And then 17.0. That's just like saying 17. And we know that 17 is actually just a whole number. Or, well, not just a whole number. It is a whole number as well as an integer and rational, but it's not just rational. So that means that they should have put 17 all the way down here. So that's the one that's wrong. So that's going to be answer choice B. Lastly, number 11. All right. Which is the percent for 1.67? That's pretty easy. We should know how to get a percent from a decimal. All right, so if we're moving from a decimal to a percent, we're going to move that decimal place 2 times to the right. Good job. 2 times to the right. This is our new decimal place. That's our old one. If you want, you can cross it out. And now it's going to be 167%. All right, good job, y'all. I have full confidence that y'all are going to do awesome on this test, so please don't stress, and y'all have a wonderful evening.